Today I'm going to do a wrap that's a little bit of a twist on one of my previous wraps. So this is going to be a modified rope twist wrap. You can go check out my regular rope twist wrap at the link below. So I'm going to start with a rectangular scarf and fold it so that the length of the scarf is about equal to I'm going to call this the circumference of my head, even though I know that's the wrong term, by folding the top in just a little bit. And line it up. So, I've got it. The length of the scarf again hits and completely covers my shaper. So I'm going to take my two tails, cross them in the back, and do a simple tie. Now, a lot of people don't tie, and that's fine. It gives some people headaches. I like the stability that it gives when I'm putting up the wrap, although even if you didn't have it, once the wrap is completely up, it doesn't really increase stability, and it's important that you not tie it too tight, because that will, one, definitely give you headaches, and two, cause your shaper to actually be more likely to come off, which you don't want. So, whereas in my rope twist braid, I would bring them both to the same side and start twisting. I'm actually going to layer the tails over to one side first, both to the same side, and then starting at about the top of my head, twist. Now again, remember that you want to twist both tails first in one direction, the same direction. So twist, 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 and then twist them together in the opposite direction. So again, I'm twisting each of the tails individually one way, call it clockwise or anti-clockwise, whichever you prefer, and then twisting them together in the opposite direction. Once you've got a decent amount together, you can take the rest of the tails and tuck them. Again, I like to tuck underneath the scarf, but outside of the shaper. And the knot actually creates a perfect little pocket there for that. Another alternative to this that you can do is to add a headband. And because you have this loose bit here, you can actually, once you put the headband on, slide it so that only part of the headband shows up. I just like that, like a little bit of asymmetry, I think makes the wrap more interesting. And the beauty of this is that because you've got some flexibility here, you can kind of spread it out. Like, see my shaper is kind of peeking out there. So you can spread it out and do whatever you want. Make it nice